Hi, and welcome to Sourdough Mamas, the place where we empower all kinds of busy home bakers to become sourdough mamas. Before we get into details of what's inside, first let me ask you, are you looking for a judgment-free place where you can share your sourdough bread results without fearing the comments or any negativity? Are you looking for support and inspiration, maybe to try something completely different? Or are you looking for dedicated learning without all the noise and chaos? So if you are, then you've found it. This is Sourdough Mamas. Inside there are workshops, expert guest speakers, sourdough topics, regional groups, cookbook clubs, and so much more. But the most important piece is that it's all built around community, because community-based learning is the best way to accelerate your success. So you're going to be baking alongside other home bakers that are on the same trajectory as you, who have the same experience level as you. And so you can share your knowledge and results, make changes based on their recommendations, and also suggest recommendations to other people. So I really hope that you will join us, and I look forward to seeing you in the community.